Imagine waking up to ocean breezes and spring sunlight flooding a home so crisp and elegant. It feels like your personal coastal escape, effortlessly luxurious, timelessly chic. Step into our foyer, and the morning sun spills through those big windows, wrapping you in the softest coastal hug. Crisp white walls whisper serenity, while the pale oak floors glow warm underfoot. It's like the beach breeze carried spring right inside, fresh, airy, inviting you deeper with every breath. You feel instantly at home, elegant yet so relaxed, as if worries just drift away with the tides. Sink into the living room, where sunlight dances across ivory linens and floods the space with pure coastal joy. The high ceilings lift your spirits, pale walls softening everything into a dreamy haze. It's that perfect spot to curl up, heart full, ocean views pulling you into lazy afternoons of peace. Every texture cradles you, gentle, fresh, utterly alive with spring's promise. Gather in the dining room, sunlight pouring golden over the long table, turning meals into magical moments. Crisp elegance meets beachy warmth here. You can almost taste the salty air mingling with laughter. The serene palette calms your soul, floors gleaming softly, inviting endless evenings of connection. It's where memories bloom, lighthearted and luminous. Cooking in this kitchen feels like a sunlit symphony. Light streams in, kissing quartz counters and oak floors with gentle warmth. White cabinets gleam crisp, the air alive with fresh coastal whispers. You move effortlessly, inspired, every corner hugging you with spring's vitality. It's pure bliss, where everyday magic unfolds in elegant, breezy comfort. Tuck into the breakfast nook, morning rays bathing the round table in soft, golden light. Ivory chairs invite lazy sips of coffee, the coastal hush wrapping you like a favorite blanket. Spring greenery nods hello, floors warm beneath your feet, serene, intimate. Here, simple mornings turn heartfelt, filled with quiet joy and ocean dreams. Retreat to the master bedroom, where sunlight weaves through tall windows, bathing ivory linens in a soft, ethereal glow. High ceilings breathe easy, pale walls cradling your dreams in coastal calm. Slip between sheets that feel like a spring embrace, luxurious, peaceful. It's your private sanctuary, heart-soothing textures whispering restful nights by the sea. Settle at the home office desk, afternoon light filtering in waves of inspiration from ocean vistas. Crisp neutrals steady your focus, oak floors grounding every creative spark. It's that empowering nook where ideas flow freely, elegant lines fueling productivity with fresh coastal energy. You thrive here, wrapped in serene, sun-kissed possibility. This beach house vision proves coastal elegance thrives in simplicity, light, texture, serenity. Let its fresh harmony inspire your own space to breathe with the sea's endless calm.